Our goal is to raise awareness about climate change.
The super team consists of Buff Bunny, Banana Bots, and Beez.
WhatsApp is our go-to platform for staying connected. We use it to share ideas, coordinate tasks, and keep everyone updated. Whether it's a quick text, a voice message, or a group video call, WhatsApp helps us communicate effectively, and we learn about each other's performance through watching their technical demonstration video and asking questions.
Our performances was very different from each other, so to come up with an idea was super challenging. Essentially, we decided to go over each of the UN goal. We sat down and discussed it and took notes, reviewing twice and crossing out the ideas in red that didn't fit or was out of the blur.
We then made detailed plans and schedule, including sketches of the floor plan and precise timing in seconds. This approach ensured that each team member had a clear understanding of the performance layout and sequence. By doing so, we could communicate our ideas more effectively and synchronize our movements seamlessly. Here is a sketch of the plan.
On our performances, we decided to look at each team's unique ideas. From Team Australia, it was agreed that our timing and synchronization was super awesome, so we decided to put in timing and synchronization to ensure a smooth execution and every robot will run smoothly. From Team Slovakia, we thought their interactive props were super cool, and we thought it would be cool to have our robots interact with their interactive robots in the issue of climate change, which is what we did. And from Team Egypt, we took in their flawless execution and performance and creativity to ensure that our performances targets the idea of climate change, opting with each of our individual strengths.
Our main robot role is to grab and show flags to the bunny so she can react to the different climate problems. He is also sadly reacting to the minion girl while she is symbolizing cutting down the forest to make them more place for infrastructure. The city background is also used as a definition of high energy consumption and pollution produced in the big cities. We use our device to control the screen too, to show the explanation of the problems at the exact time.
In our performance, Buff Bunny will use an EV3 color sensor in the RGB mode to detect 3 colored flags. When the green flag is detected, Buff Bunny will make a move to show the increased hunger that is associated with climate change. When the red flag is detected, Buff Bunny will make a move to show the increased temperatures caused by climate change. And when the white flag is detected, Buff Bunny will make a move to show the increased health risks that are caused by climate change.
For our magician, we kept the same hardware, yet we changed its code, keeping the same move block as it helped us facilitate adjusting its movement according to our
Decided to code this performance is to use timing blocks so that each robot can run through a smooth execution, making it simple to implement and change last minute. The changes that we made was with the magic robots. We made it shorter so that it's much more flexible, easier, and offer more of the plushy capability vibe we were looking for in our performance. Furthermore, we changed a little bit of our costumes in order to suit more of the climate change. Sustainability practices by reusing materials and borrowing materials from other teams. For example, our stick was borrowed from another team. Furthermore, our papers were just cut out from papers that we had.